The purpose of this short video is to tell you about JLM Advance. It's a brand new synthetic performance oil developed for professional motor mechanics. It's the result of demand for motor mechanics and JLM distributors throughout the world. Our mission at JLM is to design and produce products of real measurable quality. Products you can use in your workshop knowing they will perform time and time again. To guarantee a premium quality workshop grade oil, JLM Advance is made in the Netherlands by one of the world's largest refineries. It is mixed to the same formula and technically equivalent to the car manufacturer's standards.
The main advantages we see in JLM as a brand is purely quality.
We've found a real world-class product with JLM.